Epictetus on virtue and justice. Seek not the good in external things, seek it in yourselves. Do you know what that is? Peace and freedom, free from all compulsion, free from all hindrance, power over oneself, an untroubled mind, and never-ending serenity. Epictetus's quote emphasizes the Stoic notion of justice and virtue. It encourages individuals to look inward for the source of true goodness and to find peace and freedom within themselves, rather than seeking it in external circumstances. This aligns with the Stoic virtue of justice, which is about living in accordance with nature and the fundamental principles of fairness and rightness. In a world filled with distractions and challenges, the timeless wisdom of Stoicism offers a guiding light towards a life of deeper meaning, virtue, and fulfillment. Central to Stoic philosophy are the four cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. In this in-depth exploration, we'll embark on a journey to understand these virtues and discover how they can be powerful allies in the quest for a more meaningful and virtuous life. Seneca on wisdom. The greatest obstacle to living is expectancy, which hangs upon tomorrow and loses today. You are arranging what lies in fortune's control and abandoning what lies in yours. What are you looking at? To what goal are you straining? The whole future lies in uncertainty. Live immediately. This quote by Seneca underscores the Stoic emphasis on wisdom and the importance of living in the present moment. It highlights the idea that true wisdom is found in embracing what lies within our control and making the most of the present, rather than obsessing over an uncertain future. Before we start, if you like this video, I will really appreciate it. And you can also subscribe and help spread the Stoic philosophy. So I encourage you to subscribe and activate the bell to bring you all the videos. 1. Courage. Andrea. Courage, in the Stoic context, is not just the absence of fear. It's the ability to face fear, adversity, and challenges with bravery and determination. It involves standing up for what is right, even when it's difficult or unpopular. Stoic courage is not about recklessness, but rather about doing what is morally and ethically right, regardless of external circumstances. Stoics believe that true courage is the result of inner strength and the ability to align one's actions with their principles and values. Courage enables individuals to act with conviction, to confront their fears, and to persevere through life's most trying moments. It allows us to live authentically, unswayed by external circumstances, and to face the uncertainties of life with resilience. 2. Justice. Dikaiosune. Justice, for the Stoics, is about living in accordance with nature and in harmony with the fundamental principles of fairness and rightness. It involves treating others with respect, kindness, and equity, recognizing our interconnectedness with the world and our role in contributing positively to society. Stoic justice goes beyond legal or societal definitions. It encourages individuals to act ethically and with empathy, acknowledging the intrinsic worth of every human being. Practicing justice fosters a sense of community and cooperation, helping to create a more harmonious and just world. 3. Temperance, sophrosyne. Temperance, or self-mastery, is the virtue of moderation and self-control. It's the ability to balance our desires and impulses, preventing them from dominating our decisions and behaviors. Temperance encourages individuals to resist immediate gratification and to align their actions with their core values and long-term goals. Through temperance, we develop the ability to avoid excess and cultivate a life of balance and inner tranquility. It enables us to make rational and deliberate choices, rather than being swayed by momentary desires. In essence, temperance is the key to living a life in line with one's principles and avoiding the harmful consequences of overindulgence or impulsive behavior. 4. Wisdom, phronesis. Wisdom is considered the foundation of all the Stoic virtues. It encompasses the ability to discern what is truly important, to make rational decisions, and to view the world with clarity and objectivity. Stoic wisdom involves continuous self-examination and a deep understanding of the human condition. By embracing wisdom, individuals can make sound choices, free from irrational emotions and fleeting desires. It's about gaining knowledge about oneself and the world, and applying that knowledge to act in a manner that aligns with one's values and principles. Wisdom, in the Stoic sense, empowers individuals to live an examined life and make choices that lead to a more meaningful and purposeful existence. In summary, courage, justice, temperance, and wisdom are the four cardinal virtues of Stoicism. They serve as a guide to living a virtuous life in accordance with nature and one's own principles. These virtues empower individuals to face adversity with bravery, to treat others with fairness and kindness, to practice self-control and moderation, and to make decisions rooted in rationality and self-awareness. Embracing these virtues can lead to a more meaningful and virtuous life. The Stoic path to virtue. Through real-life examples, practical exercises, and profound Stoic wisdom, this exploration of the four cardinal virtues offers a roadmap for personal growth and ethical living. We'll delve into Stoic teachings, ancient and modern, to understand how these virtues are not just abstract ideals, but practical principles that can be applied in our daily lives. I hope this brief explanation will help you in your development. If you love my content, please share it. I wish you with your friends and family a wonderful day. Thank you so much for still sticking with this and subscribing.